California was shaped with cultural fire traditions for millennia. Right place, right time. The people that lived off the land knew when to burn. They knew when it was appropriate to burn. They knew where to burn. They knew what was going to come out of that burn for food, for supplies like the hazel, right? And for protection. So they knew what fire was as a tool. And that tool was just as common as me reaching into my toolbox and grabbing a screwdriver. You know, it's really a lot different than it was in like 10 years ago in the space of cultural burning. Cultural burning didn't exist as a definition or a defined term in Public Resource Code 3 years ago.
Yeah. Gotta heat it up, it's gonna start. And no matter what, you just keep it held down, okay?
Yeah.
Here it is.
Yeah.
Gently blow on it.
Blow on the ember towards the fuel.
One big one. Long steady breath. Yeah.
We start with putting fire back into the family conversation for the generational knowledge. Right? Establishing that that is there, it's a thing, it really exists, and here it is in a tangible way. Because it hasn't been tangible for a long time because of the government. To be completely transparent, the government said you cannot burn. Here's a penalty for burning. And oh, by the way, back in 1850, we're not only going to penalize you, we're going to put you in jail as a child worker.
Look for a little pocket. You know what, with this, because this is Momini, you could actually bless everybody with a little bit. Okay, just with the smoke of the fire. With the smell of the sage. Oh, so I can just like, yeah. Come around, give it a light. All this needs to be burned, so maybe try to get something going right here. Like get it started, maybe try to...
Fire is something that you don't just see wildfire destruction on TV, but also it is an important part of our culture and really who we are.
Hey, firing!
We prepare for the fog, we prepare for the rain on a regular basis. It's accepted. If we can get that with smoke, and we can get that right time, right place concept out there for not only Native Americans, but for all burners, then we can really make a difference in California and across the U.S.
Keep doing what we're doing, how we keep walking it back all the way up and down the hill. Let's just keep doing that.
Propane in the middle and torches on the piles, right?
Yeah.